Wiyake gima mwancho muligeria wigitaseni kia Ndizi TV nogosemera kwanenga kwa bere kogotwara obuligeria borobia kigima nende nebiro binde tukumira na semesa ya mangana maya elinde ngomanye na ya bere kago kolekana korwa chingongo chonsi inyechense na bokonde gutobwata sense mochiche mitandao asense moya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net iritere kerubo Frida nolio kwaneke bna chibicha niliogira gwikira sole asenchire ya benenere lide mose chinga kitogendete kwaneke ngari birira lia siasa ni goligendete kwaneke gwa ase chinsemo magayo muswada bukumwaka isiko mokonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua koroberi gwa bene gochigwikirana bosi bwebunge nigo egatia barai bagendete kurwa ebirengeri byabo kubwatkana no muswado yo nabigasorgo ngorwa gusi nigo ama kweli yobo tutukano abagakwenekigwa ase mambe yabona igasomo mura bw'emyaka yegatwa abakagusiria obogima abwaye nastinse mochinde nigo mugavana bwe county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti abeire gakogikiria ebikorwa byoboite byabere bikwanekigwa asamatko abwango iga anene asebiri birengete amangana yobwanchani mwanchi muligeria ayongati yali nkwaliganete asumu basolero toskatonyigera kwirana ndasege kege kerebosyo elinde ngomanya mange asenchera yowenge mwancho muligereria ngo kwaligani bene ilinde tabata gosanga sobwamo gocha kabono iga goika omoelio kwechaka amaya yebirebiga ni otoko yachaka noroboti rogo ichani asengo komanyabuna nigo omomoroyo mobu emyaka yegatokorwa ase kenyoro kia etora nyamatuta ekegotoka ime ye wodi ya bogusero abakago itwa emambe yabona iga ase omoberoye oba kogotoka gokwana na bantu kora sense meyo nigo bagikeria egekorekyo asekurende baba bakweneke bnanyagosira nigo aberega ko kagerwa nebikorwa byobosari asikurenda ase chintunda chinyinge aberega ko bekwa byara nabo igokoba ase egesibo nabo igo kubwatokwa
mwana yana atakamo letera na bakobera nero bono itabia yega kuna kutuka tu abana baba mukaye uze tagete mora tata kina kikia mungi ina gusira are umwana we ya bono okani ase bikore bibi bakora mwangire ko bitenda gakora iganire gukora bitenda marangi akani kukinyutarigo sibirwa ko gosibo aindo igorero atukaibunga igora na bwatete nabono twakibesi bitwateruna otokirega igutire ona mwana twachirega twaberekera yakene na itirende asengi no gusakwa
twanyori no mwana mokoitire korende bana asabo salibwaya na bubwagera ayacha komonyora igotogoteba buna ntu abangina ebikora buna ebi nebibe etoko chikogikeria asa abana babwateta bibuna eyo banyare gotigeta bia batware chimbu chingiya ase ngenje buna boniga kegoria kekerega toko gikeria ebikorwa bune byo korinde togotoma engora yete ya bene guchia asenkeyo asogosiria ya mate yabo konde guskabosio ase orobotironde ni goli birelia gisiasa ligendete kwene kigwa kubwatkana no muswada buku mwaka isiko omokonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua okwana egati yababunge korwa asorgongoro Mount Kenya nigo babere bakwa okoboko omuswado yasabanikire buna nigo Gachagua abeire kagutwara chimbwa chimbe anene asogotaikirania obokoreri bwaye buna ebwenerete
wakati huu ama sampuli hii ambayo tunayo ni wakati wa kazi. Tuwachilie serikali ambayo tulichagua kwa kura nyingi nafasi ya galau wafanye kazi, kisha baadaye baada ya miaka minne na unusu pale tuangalie nyuma. Ndio tufanye stock taking. Tuseme barabara zetu zimejengwa, tumejenga markets, tumejenga mashule zetu, tumejenga yale ambayo tuliahidiwa, then we can have a conversation, my brothers and my sisters. Lakini tukianza makelele sasa, will be a tribe, will be a community, will be a region that is devoid of wisdom.
Sisi kama viongozi wa Kikuyu ama viongozi wa Mount Kenya tunatakikana tutulie ama tutukane baba yetu. Mtu anaendaga na nani? Baba yako akioa, mnafanya nini? Unakaa ama unatoroka? Si unamuita huyu mwingine ambaye amekuja mama? Mlikuwa mnataka sisi viongozi tutoke. Niedi kiuma. Nino ginyaki, I pledge my loyalty to my father, and that is what I did. Even all these other stepmothers who came, I called them my mother.
William Ruto tulimpatia kura sio kwa sababu ya wale walikuwa karibu na yeye, sio kwa sababu alichagua nani awe karibu na yeye. Tulimpea kura hapa Mount Kenya kwa sababu yeye alijipendeza kwa wananchi hapa Mlima Kenya. Hakuna mtu alifanya tupee Rais William Ruto kura isipokuwa zile sera alituuzia na ile mapenzi tulikuwa nayo yake.
Hawezi kuwa deputy president alafu wakati unasikia hujatosheka na mdosi wako unamuongelesha kwa mikutano Githurai, Sagana, Gatundu, kila mahali. Unafaa umpigie simu wewe ndiye deputy president. Unafaa umuite mkutano, mpatane, muongee na yeye, you solve your own problems without wananchi. Wananchi hawana namba ya rais. Hata ukishinda ukiwapea story nyingi.
Tinga kecho boigo nigo egati yabasae abonchereria kurwase sekta ya bodaboda na boigo matatu babeire bakogosereria guchegokora okorobikana kubwatkana ninganeyo yokomurusia abisyo mokonyi bomuraibwense Rigathi Gachagua okwana umuwaziri wikiganja gye serikali John Mbadi nigo abeire gakweneke bne serikali nigendete kubika emirobiri mekirano asogotinya obokoreri bwaye Nanya boni gabiriga kubabulia koba abatoereru ekyagara nigo babigite emirobiri yo gukora amonchilia asane kyanigo barachikora amonchilia se sector ya matatu elinde kwenekya obokoreri obya.
Matatu is chaotic. Boda chaotic. Probox sasa zaidi. First of all, public transport, we want discipline. There is a report which a task force which was constituted by the Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury and Economic Planning to investigate and find ways and solutions on how to underwrite public transport. There are a raft of recommendations which I will liaise with my colleagues, especially in interior transport, so that we can see how to bring discipline and order in the public transport the way the late John Michuki left public transport.
Omwaziri bwendemero kurase county ya Mombasa Hussein Mohamed nigo abiriga kubekwa byara kubatkana nogo kagerwa ase ogokora amamocho ayo abeire gakumubwaterania nigo akageire kogosereria omugavana we county ya Mombasa Abdul Samad Nasir asinaboigo akageire gokora obosalia manyana bonigo arachikobaga goikigwa ase ekoti elia ya Shanzu elinde gotegerera amamochae na boigo ekina kiaye kunachoa.
From a city restaurant here in Mombasa while having lunch with a work colleague. 7 heavily built individuals appeared at the facility and approached him, and we have this on CCTV, and they picked him up and they disappeared with him. Later on, after making several calls to various authorities and checking in various police stations, we established that he was in the hands of the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. this is another in a series of unfortunate persecutory events over the past 2 weeks leveled against His Excellency the Governor of Mombasa and his supporters for no crime other than leading the people of Mombasa in the manner that befits them. The governor, in his wisdom, recently appointed Madam Selina Maitha, the former running mate to a prominent politician who contested the gubernatorial election of 2022 and lost to the governor. He recently appointed her as the chairperson of the Mombasa Water Supply Company in recognition of her capabilities and abilities. And it seems that this move has angered certain quarters who now move around this country and this city, calling press conferences, hurling threats and abuse at His Excellency the Governor, threatening members of his family, threatening his staff, his supporters. As you well know, 2 innocent ladies have also been picked up and are currently in police custody under accusations of things that they are physically incapable of doing. It is unfortunate that those who the governor defeated in 2022 are resorting to abuse of the security agencies to pursue the political agenda. We would urge them, rather than continuing in these nefarious schemes of trying to tarnish His Excellency the Governor's name with no basis whatsoever, to prepare themselves to face the people in 2027.
Hako tayari kesho kwenda asubuhi kuandika ripoti yake. Lakini cha kusikitisha ni kwamba tumesikia amevamiwa wakati ikiwa anapata chakula cha jioni yeye na wenzake.
We county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti ni babirika gusaka bene nabayo kujukiria ebikorwa by'obuti anana ebyo birengete amana y'obwanche bokana nigo abeye bakorera bunanigo abandi babutira emicando ya kibongo ebyo kuirira barabuku mukya ebitambukiro obunebyo nabo nigo amukena mbona takoze kinchira achubusonsora emicando ika lyokorusya abamu omoya chinga tuchwe goni na mtema serikali
na kijana anamuua kijana kosana na msichana anamuua. Sasa ukiwa rafiki yako si unajua hata utafungwa bwana, utafungwa. You cannot kill somebody, hawezi kuwa mtu na waachiliwe hivyo tu. Kwa hivyo nawaambia, kwani unaua huyo msichana? Ni msichana. Beautiful ones are not yet born. Wengine bado wanazaliwa wasichana warembo bwana. Usiende kuwa mtu ati kwa sababu umekosana na yeye unafikiria hiyo ndio mwisho. Unaweza hata kupata mwingine mzuri kushinda huo. Kama ni kijana, tafadhali msichana usiwe kijana. Tunamhitaji Mwenyezi Mungu. Na tunamuuliza Mwenyezi Mungu asimame na sisi kwa sababu tunajua yeye mwenyewe anapenda nchi yetu ya Kenya. Wacha Mungu atuongoze kwa njia zake na sio njia zetu. Kingine ningependa kuwaambia watu wetu waanze kutayarisha mashamba sasa. Waanze kutayarisha mashamba kwa sababu mvua inakuja na mbegu inawanunulia. Kwa hivyo waanze kutayarisha, tumeweka over 50 million ya kununua mbegu, kwa hivyo waanze kutayarisha mashamba yao.
Mwancho muligereria kurwa sorobotiro ni ikiro mweli obukumulikira mangana maya asebire biga kolende toska tonyegera chikoraga chinsa 10 ayona mange nenyara senchira yobwenye nabakwenda kutubwatia chinsa mochichi mitandao asense ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Maiga kamera soko nekibna ebicha nabogeliogira gukira sole asenchira ya Venenere Lydia Muse babere bakubwatirana nere Masela Nyanchira sinse mochirichi mitandao mwanchi muligeria nabokwenda kutubwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube Ndizi TV News edetere nenkerubo Frida twara obuligeria orobia.
Usu Womogusi.